I have a theory that we're living in the past simulation created by maybe future AI and computers, maybe to see how they evolve. Check this out. This clip here is proof of that. Listen to this.
Levels, or it does affect the higher levels, and we sort of have to think about all of them at once. Okay, but eventually, where we hope to get is to what are called error-corrected quantum computers, where the qubits really do behave like perfect abstract qubits for as long as we want them to. And in that future, a future that we can already sort of prove theorems about or think about today, but in that future, the logic of it really does become decoupled from them.
Okay, so in the future, there's already logic proving this is possible to have error-correcting qubits that fix for problems with the quantum state. See, right now, quantum computers, the bits themselves, the qubits, they're generated in all different ways, and they actually, to some degree, interact with the system, and they're kind of messing up the system. What he just said is in the future that won't be the case, and you'll have a perfect quantum machine where the qubits don't interfere and don't interact. That's what's necessary. Error correcting code he mentioned. That's what's necessary to have a simulation of the past. You basically need a computer like that. You need a really powerful one, not these little ones that Google has. But this could be the early stage of the machine that creates the world we're in, and we're in the past. I don't know if that's happening, obviously, but when he says something like that, it supports that theory, and that is one of my theories. Because I keep asking, who has the motivation to create this sim that we live in? And it seems like the answer would be, to me at least, the future civilization that's curious about their past, wants to see how they evolve. It could be a movie to them, almost like a movie, where they're just watching how they evolve and how they came to be. That would be one motive. There's all kinds of motives. People who are religious will say God has a motive to watch beautiful creatures and nature do. Everyone, from their perspective is going to come up with a motive. So there's lots of motives, but this one actually jives with quantum computing and that theory.